Also developing, attorneys for Cleveland business owner Bobby George are threatening to sue the city. George, who owns TownHall and Barley House, facing charges including attempted murder. His attorneys are challenging the evidence in this case. They just sent a letter to city leaders. 19's Vic Gideon breaking down their claims.
This is the letter from Bobby George's attorneys, the law firm of Thrasher, Dinsmore, and Dolan, sent to the city's law department, asking for evidence in the case, but also challenging the city's preserving of evidence, documents, tangible things, and electronically stored information, or ESI, writing ESI can easily be deleted, corrupted, or modified.
The bond is $200,000, 10%. Stay away. I'm sorry.
Thank you very much.
Last week, Bobby George in a Cuyahoga County courtroom. According to court documents, George is charged with attempted murder, kidnapping, rape, and other crimes. Police say the well-known business owner attacked his ex-girlfriend multiple times over a 9-month period. Now his attorney sending a letter to the city threatening to sue over the case, saying the evidence has the chance to be corrupted or tampered with. Part of the correspondence from George's attorneys to the city of Cleveland include a letter to Democratic candidates urging them not to use bars and restaurants owned by the George family. The letter was signed by, among others, Cleveland Stonewall Democrats, whose executive board includes Cleveland's chief prosecutor, Akila Jordan, and questions the politics of the George family. The city of Cleveland has responded. The city routinely receives preservation letters and abides by them. We will do the same here, as this is no different than others. Bobby George has not been indicted in Cuyahoga County Common Pleas Court, but it will be up to a grand jury to decide if the case moves forward. Currently, George is free on $200,000 bond. Reporting in Cleveland, Vic Gideon, 19 News.